today we're going to be making chocolate chip muffins. The ingredients we're going to need is 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 cups of Kodiak pancake mix, 1/4 cup of milk, and 3/4 cups of chocolate chips. We're also going to be needing muffin liners and a muffin tray. Let's get started. We're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, mix together the butter, cinnamon, maple syrup, and vanilla. Next, we're going to whisk all the ingredients together until they're well combined. Make sure you do not over whisk. Then stir in the milk. Followed with the Kodiak cake mix. Next, we're going to fold in the chocolate chips. Make sure the chocolate chips are well covered that you can't see the chocolate chips. In the chocolate chips, then you line up your muffin liners into the muffin tray. We're going to scoop the muffin mix into the muffin pan. We're going to put the muffins in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. The muffins are now baked. We're going to let them cool and then enjoy once cool. Now enjoy!